I'm gonna go over the shoulder and show you exactly how I would go about finding dozens of new high quality leads to open up accounts and source products from. So on my screen, I just went to Google and I just looked up the top 10 import cities USA. Clicked on the first result here and found that there's many large US cities that import and export billions of dollars worth of goods. Now, why this is important is that lots of goods will end up at these ports, whether it's the packaging or the goods are coming from overseas. And a lot of the products will then get sent to distributors and wholesalers from those areas. So if we find suppliers that are in and around these ports, we're cutting out on lots of labor, fuel, and transportation costs, likely leaving room for more competitive pricing from these suppliers and more profit in our pockets. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start with the first on the list, Houston, Texas, which is ranked highest in terms of value of goods exported. I'm gonna just go to Google and then I'm going to get a map of Houston, Texas, okay? And then once we're looking at the map, what we're gonna do is type in a couple of keywords and a category that we are interested in. So you could do any category you want. I recommend you stick with the major categories on Amazon. I'm gonna do something different than I normally do today, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do tools. So Houston tools wholesaler is what I'm gonna go ahead and type in. And here is gonna give us a large list of a bunch of different wholesale suppliers that sell tools in this area. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on them and see if I can find websites and open up a couple of different tabs here. And now once I have a couple of tabs open, I'm gonna do a little bit of further research and try to figure out if they would be a good fit. Do they have some big recognizable brand names of items? And so right away I see 3M, Loctite, SureTrade. Those are a couple of definitely big brand names, Bayer. As you scroll through, you'll recognize a lot of these. Liquid Skin. These are some of the big brand names, maybe not the biggest brand names out there, but could definitely be a good fit. Stanley. So right there, a number of different brands here. And this would be at least enough for me to warrant opening up an account and getting a catalog. You could then go ahead and look at the rest of the leads that we pulled up. This is a very basic website. You could give them a call, see if they'd be a good fit. That might be a great supplier as well. United Tool Supply. Let's go ahead and see adhesives and sealants, different hand tools. That could be a great lead as well. And so what we're going to do is kind of take the best lead that we find. And in this case, it's going to be RS Hughes. And we're going to go and then again, take this to Google. And what we're going to type in is RS Hughes Houston. And then we're going to scroll down to the section called People Also Search For. This is going to give us an additional list of more suppliers that could be a good fit as well. And so it's going to give you suppliers that are very similar to the one that you actually typed in. And so then again, it's going to open another list of additional suppliers that you can go ahead and look into. So we have Hughes Tool Corp, Regent Tools, and then from here, it opens up an additional list of suppliers as well. And so as you continue to move through these, you're going to be able to find yourself with dozens of new supplier leads that you can then go and head and add to your list. From there, I'd recommend that you just make a very simple Excel sheet, and that sheet is going to have all of the basic information that you can grab from these websites, such as the website, supplier name, phone number, email, etc. Once you have this sheet completed, you will then have dozens of high quality, local to the area suppliers that again likely have competitive pricing because they're in such close proximity to these different ports. You're then going to go ahead and in mass call, email, fill out contact forms on their website and open up accounts with them. Once you get those accounts open, you're able to then go ahead and take the catalogs that you get. You can analyze all the products against products that you find on Amazon. Don't forget to do things like look at multi-packs and bundle opportunities and really dig in deep to the products that they offer. And I found this to be a really high quality method of finding profitable suppliers that can give you new profitable products for your wholesale business. So that's it for this one. Quick, short, and sweet. If you got value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you can get future videos where we will share additional tips and tricks on new ways that you can grow and scale your Amazon business. That's it for this one. We'll see you in the next video.